Reason why we put 100% chance of rain or a mixture thereof in the 8-day forecast in today's forecast. When you have an area of precipitation like this, you're pretty much guaranteed to get it. Right now, the question is, in what form is it going to fall? You can kind of see the cutoff here with the rain-snow line and mixture thereof slicing right through central southern Lake Michigan, continuing to drive to the north and east. And I do think we'll see briefly a mixture basically north of Grand Rapids or just north of Grand Rapids and points to the north before it changes over to all rain. It won't take too long, but you could see a quick dose of light accumulating snow to the north of Grand Rapids. Now, in terms of what we're going to see out of this or when it's going to arrive, I think in the Grand Rapids area, right around 1:30, probably closer to 1 o'clock in the Kalamazoo area or shortly thereafter that. And you can see most of this is in the form of rain. Broadening the view a little bit, here's the area of low pressure, very close to Kansas City. It's going to take a path right through Iowa and also into southern Wisconsin, eventually in the northern part of the state, keeping us on the warm side of this system. And because of that, it looks like we have a chance of some thunder showers out there, but we're going to miss out on the snow, and that's where you see all the advisories and the current warnings to the north and to the west of us. And again, we could see a little bit of snow, I'd say about ½ an inch to maybe 2 inches between M46 and M20 this afternoon. And here's the latest in terms of severe risk, and you know you're dealing with a pretty good storm when you have an enhanced risk this far north in February, and even a slight risk almost up to Indianapolis area. And where you see the lighter shade of green, that is just a general threat of some thunder showers, which we certainly could see out of this. 34-degree temperature right now, didn't budge much from last hour. We're at very close to 40 degrees in Kalamazoo. So still looking at temperatures just north and east of Grand Rapids, right around the freezing mark, and that's kind of key. So we'll continue watching that this afternoon. The wind chill, it's not going to budge, even though actual temperatures will go up a little bit this afternoon in Grand Rapids and other West Michigan cities. The wind's also going to increase. So I think the wind chill, feel like readings will remain in the 20s right through the rest of the day. Look at this wind. Right out of the east to 18 miles an hour. It's not going to be a very pleasant afternoon, especially once that moisture moves in. So here's the wind forecast. We'll take you right to the 9 o'clock time frame. A steady wind between 20 and even up to 30 miles an hour right in through this evening. But as the area of low pressure comes right over us, essentially very close to us, the wind will subside a bit. But as it leaves, we're going to see it ramp up again for tomorrow. And again, tomorrow we'll see wind gusts just like today, up around 40 miles an hour. So here's the latest on the Skycam. Still holding on to dry weather at the noon hour in Grand Rapids. That's not going to last too much longer. Here's a future cast, and it will take you right to the 6 o'clock time frame. And anywhere you see the oranges, it does include Grand Rapids. This is where we'll have moderate to heavy rain and the possibility of a thunder shower. We'll put into motion to the midnight time frame, and I think right around midnight, that's when the dry slot with a strong low pressure system will move in, essentially shutting off the rain. And that's going to be the case right in through tomorrow morning. If you're south of Grand Rapids, you could see even a few breaks in the cloud cover. Now tomorrow, any rain showers during the morning, which will be very, very light, will transition over to snow showers by the end of the day, with temperatures falling just a little bit. Now in terms of rainfall, good soaking. I would expect anywhere between a half to as much of an inch of rain possible as this system rolls through. Here's the latest on the 8-day forecast. Temperature tomorrow, right around 40 initially, but again, sliding a little bit during the afternoon into the 30s. Colder on Thursday, and we'll just have bona fide light snow showers on Thursday. Accumulation will be quite light. Friday, pretty nice day. Outside chance of morning flurries and some light snow showers possible on Saturday. No Arctic air yet, but I think it's right after Tuesday we start to see some Arctic air and pattern change arriving next week.
Okay. We'll track that. Thanks, Matt.